Imagine finding yourself in the driver's seat of a high-speed vehicle cruising down the highway. Your trusty Apple Vision Pro goggles are on, feeding you valuable information about the road ahead. Suddenly, there's a software glitch. What could happen? Today, we delve into the potential risks of using Apple Vision Pro. Our initial case study takes us to a busy urban hub. Here, we introduce you to an individual passionate about technology and an early adopter of high-tech visual devices. His admiration for cutting-edge features and the convenience offered by his new gadget led to an unforeseen health issue one evening. While immersed in a virtual reality game, he experienced severe vertigo due to intense graphics and movement, resulting in a significant fall. This tale serves as a cautionary note, illustrating the potential health risks associated with the use of advanced visual devices. However, regular breaks and simple eye exercises can significantly reduce these risks and ensure safer usage. Let's view it from a social angle, by considering the case of a college student who is deeply absorbed in the realm of augmented reality. This student starts to neglect their real-world social relationships to the extent that they start to realize the significance of genuine human interactions. This scenario underlines the possible social risks of becoming overly dependent on such high-end technology. However, striking a balance, the usage of technology and real-world interactions can be an effective solution to overcome this issue. Moving our focus towards lifestyle risks, let's delve into the narrative of an unidentified fitness enthusiast. The constant barrage of notifications during his exercise routines interrupts his concentration, leading to less effective workouts and a drop in his overall fitness levels. This case highlights the adverse effects of overdependence on technology on our lifestyle and well-being. Implementing dedicated technology-free periods throughout the day can assist in maintaining focus and enhancing productivity. Now, imagine a software glitch. Such a glitch could not only disrupt the user experience but could also pose significant safety risks. Consider a situation where a glitch occurs during navigation. This could lead to confusion or disarray, and in worst-case scenarios could even lead to accidents. Fortunately, regular software updates and staying alert can help avoid such precarious situations. In summary, while advanced tech offers a myriad of exciting features and possibilities, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks. These include health issues such as vertigo, social risks like isolation, lifestyle impacts due to an over-reliance on technology, and potential hazards from technical glitches. It's a brave new world with every tech advancement, and with it comes new challenges and risks. Remember, technology serves us best when we use it to enhance our lives, not dictate them. It's essential to stay updated, but more importantly, always stay safe. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is based on hypothetical scenarios and does not claim to predict actual outcomes. Always use technology responsibly and in accordance with manufacturer guidelines.